Hello and welcome back to another lesson of Microsoft Office Word from Literacy Bits. We are officially done with the Insert tab. In this lesson, we're going to study a new tab, which is Draw. Draw is a new tab that you can find in the updated version of Microsoft Office Word. And this is a cool tab actually, where you can draw, where you can use rulers, where you can format your page, and a lot of good things. This is how you can draw. These are pens and pencils and highlighters. You can use them, you can tell them how much should be the size or the color, or you can delete it from here. And this is another pen, you can draw anything. This is the pencil, the highlighter, and also this is a pen. You can add pen, pencil, and highlighter from here. I think it's a good option. And this is the ruler. You can use ruler in order to make your lines good and straight. You can use it like this. You can turn around the ruler, do this, and you can make good straight lines easily with this ruler. The next option is about formatting the page, and also in here we have eraser where we can erase our lines. So easily. In here we have format background. We can use these backgrounds and write our things beautiful and good. These are the gradients actually. Apply to full page, page color. You can change the color of the page in here. I think this is a good option. This option is ink to shape. What does this do? We have our ink, so when I want to draw a circle, I do this. No, it's not good and well arranged, but when I move my hand from the cursor, it will make a good shape of circle for me. See, I can make triangles, squares, and good shapes too. Yeah, this is how it works. Now the next option is ink to matte. You can use this ink and solve your math equations. Two plus 2 equals 4. Insert, it will be inserted. So this is how Draw works. This was ink to matte. This is the drawing Canva. You can draw these things inside this Canva too. So guys, this was the Draw tab. I wish you enjoyed and liked it. In the next lesson we're going to study the Design tab. For right now, bye bye.